The Samsung Galaxy Note Pro 12.2 comes in as a premium tablet offerings from Samsung and as such packs the richest set of features and apps. It runs a TouchWiz modified Android build on either an Exynos or a Snapdragon chipset depending on whether you get the Wi-Fi or LTE version. Both have 3 GB of RAM, which is good news since the latest multi-window incarnation can run up to 4 apps on the screen and you can add floating apps on top of that. How the screen is divided depends on the number of apps you have running, and the proportions can be changed by dragging the dot. Note that for 3 apps, 2 will have to share the screen vertically. You can't do 3 columns, for example. Some apps take the multi-window feature to heart. The video player uses it to start playing a video on half the screen while keeping the list of videos visible in case you change your mind and play another. Dragging the divider to the left automatically puts the video in full screen mode. The Galaxy Note Pro 12.2 has a feature-complete Office package pre-installed. The interface is fairly complex and looks something meant for a keyboard and mouse. You can still use it with your fingers, and there's always the S Pen if you need more precision. For text input, Samsung has created a keyboard that takes up a rather large chunk of the screen, but you can still switch to a smaller floating keyboard or even a split keyboard. The split keyboard has a definitive advantage since it puts all keys in reach of your thumbs, and some apps like the email app use pop-up compose windows that fit snugly between the 2 halves of the keyboard. Handwriting recognition is also available for text input, but it serves additional functions too. Action Memo, for example, uses it to read a phone number or email address you've scribbled down, which can subsequently be inserted into your contacts or used to start a Google search. When the S Pen is removed, the Air Command menu pops up with several handy shortcuts. You can disable this or have Action Memo show up instead. The dedicated digitizer for the S Pen can sense different levels of pressure, which makes a huge difference in ArtRage, the pre-installed drawing app. It has a wide variety of tools and pressure affects how they work. The app is quite advanced and can handle multiple layers with different blending modes. This is one of the few apps in the premium package that's not business oriented. When you want to unwind from all the business, a swipe up on the home screen brings out a customized screen that serves as a newsreader, a way to follow social networking updates, and even handle content on the tablet itself. Samsung has customized Android with many of the apps to display more information and controls than usual, which not only makes better use of the screen real estate, but also makes work faster. The one thing we're not fans of is the notification area that's unchanged from smartphone TouchWiz and looks oversized.